Okay, so now, now that we have a way to upload photos of our friends, we want to show them on our web page. All right, so if you guys remember, in my previous video, I had a file called select. Okay. Well, now I just called this one select new, so I modified it. It is very similar to that previous one, but I made just a few different changes. Okay. And what did I do? All right, so here we are at select new. And if you remember, we select it in my previous video, you remember we select everything from the friends table and we put it in result. Okay, we come down here and remember how we created a hyperlink that would go to our, including the friend ID. If you don't quite see how we use that PHP tag, maybe you should go back to that previous video. It's in the PHP series. So what do we modify? Well, we put in an image tag, and we want to dynamically, automatically put in the exact name of the file. And so what we did was we're returning row 1 from the database. Okay, and so let's first take a look at what we have here. All right, so here are all these friends. Okay, and you can see I have their name and then a picture. These are obviously, they're not my real friends. This guy's dead. So right, I mean, okay, so here's my image tag, right? And we want each one of these, and let's take a look at the page source. I'll put, on a Mac, I'll put option, click, view page source. All right, so here are our image tags. And we'll have uploaded pics, and then we have pic 1, here's pic 3, pic 4, pic 5. Oh, and hey, another thing, you guys might look at this and go, wait a minute, wait, this is different. Didn't you assign dates to it? Yeah, but here's what I did. Just so I could do it really quickly, to save time, I just created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I just did that really quickly, and I went into the database, and I very, very quickly just added these names, right? Your HTML and your PHP code doesn't care what string is in here. Right? We have a string variable. We're just recording the location, right? We're recording the location of this image file, right? And so the location is here, right there. This is the file path to this folder, okay? And there's the string 5.png, 4.png, 5.png, 6.png. So what we're doing here in our code is we are grabbing that particular record from the database and we are echoing it out to the browser in order to form a full hyperlink image, and here's the source of the image in upload pics, and then here it will be 1.png or 4.png, whatever the record is. And then I styled the photo by giving it a width of 100 pixels and then auto on the height. You'll remember from my HTML videos, we talked about that. Okay. And so this is the only change I made to that original tutorial I did before. Okay. And, I put a break tag on the end. And if you guys want it, I'm going to put a link to this page's code in the just down below. You go down below in the comment section. I'm going to put a link to it so you can just copy and paste it. Now, wouldn't it be nice, in the next video we're going to do something else. else. I mean, we're going to modify or expand on this one. Wouldn't it be nice if we had these in a row where it was maybe 2 or 3, okay? So that it doesn't keep going down like this, but maybe we had Sally Smith here, and then David Jones here. Then on the next line, we had Cliff Swain and Steve Robinson. It might be a little easier to view. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to show you a trick. Not a trick, but a technique that I know you will be happy with. You will be extremely happy that I showed you this. It's really kind of clever, and I know you will use it over and over again in your development. Okay, I'm sure you will. So take a look at the next video.